am going to try my hand at some red cabbage German style. So this is going to be German red cabbage. I've never made this before, so let's see what happens. Okay, I'm using a small cabbage, and it said to cut the cabbage in thin slices. I'm going to cut that piece off. I'm going to cut it in half. You know it's got that core in there. We got to get that out. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. All right, so I'm going to cut the core out. And this cabbage that we're making is a great side dish if you have if you're making a meal. This is just like a great side dish, or you can eat it, I guess, by itself. It depends how much you make, because this is not going to make much, because this is a small cabbage that I got from the food bank, and I said I've got to make something with this cabbage, and so we're making German red cabbage. So I'm going to cut this as thin as I can. I think that's good enough. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of butter, melt that in the pan. Now we're going to add our cabbage to the melted butter. Just a little. Okay, while our cabbage is cooking down a little, we're going to thinly slice our onion. Now you can cut it into nice little dices, or you can just thinly slice it. Now I'm going to add our onion in here. I'm just doing this to break it apart. Big hunks. There's our onion. Now we are going to peel our apple, and then we're going to grate it and put that in the mixture with the onion and cabbage. That apple smells good. We're grating our apple. That's enough apple. We are going to add in a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to add in 3 whole cloves. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to put our apple, shredded apple in here. We're going to mix this up well. And then we're going to cover it and let that steam cook for about 30 minutes. Of course, we'll check on it in between. And as you see, I didn't put any seasonings, no salt, no pepper, just the cloves, onion, and apple cider vinegar. No sugar. So I can't wait to see what this tastes like. Okay. We're going to put the lid on. And 30 minutes. Well, I'll check it back in about 10 minutes.
Cooking with Charlene.
Now, if it seems a little dry, you can always add a little more apple cider vinegar. Shut up, this is a faceless video. I do not want my cabbage to burn. Looking good though. Okay, 15 more minutes, we'll be done.